Actress Catherine Bernardo has put an end to the swirling relationship rumors, confidently dismissing them and confirming that she is still single. Catherine Bernardo has put rumors about her romantic life to rest, categorically denying claims that she is in a relationship with Lucena City Mayor Mark Alcala. The actress addressed the speculation during her appearance at the ABS-CBN ball, where she gracefully walked the red carpet. In an interview with Gretchen Pulido of ABS-CBN, Catherine was directly asked about her relationship status. "I'm very happy, and yes, still single," she responded with a smile, clearing up the circulating gossip. The rumors began after Catherine and Mayor Mark were reportedly seen together. The situation was further fueled when it was noted that the mayor followed Catherine on Instagram, but the actress did not follow him back, leading to increased online speculation. Catherine's clear response at the event emphasized her desire to be open with her fans while keeping her personal life private. As one of the most followed and influential celebrities in the Philippines, her personal matters often attract widespread attention. Born on March 26, 1996, in Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, Catherine has grown into one of the country's leading stars. She began her career as a child actress, earning fame with roles in popular TV series like Mara Clara, Princess and I, and La Luna Sangre. On the big screen, she starred in successful romantic films such as She's Dating the Gangster, The House of US, and Hello, Love, Goodbye. Known as the box office queen of her generation, Catherine has continued to enchant audiences with her talent and charm. She has also been recognized by Forbes Asia as one of the most influential celebrities in the region, further solidifying her status as a modern-day icon. Despite the ongoing curiosity about her personal life, Catherine stays focused on her career and happiness, keeping control of her own narrative.